So today we're checking out the plants and flowers at Tesco's. And first of all, we're starting off with the Peniston Tiny Towers. These are ornamental grass. Plant these in full sun or shade. They have these soft flower plumes. They're £12.50. Camellia, £3. These are still lovely bright colours at this time of year. And then we've also got Fatsia Spiderweb. These are £10. This is stunning evergreen. It's large leaves, the shape of your hands. These are easy to care for. They can grow quite tall. Next on the south lawn, we've got hydrangeas. These are £12. And we've got some next door that do need some hydrating. And these are all £12. These do need a drop of water or two. Next we've got cordyline, red star. And these are striking burgundy red sword leaves. So autumn is on its way. And we've got daffodil bulbs in stock. These are selling at £3 each or two for £5. You can plant these from September to October. You could keep them till possibly November to December, but need to get them in really by September, October. There's two varieties, and it's a good idea to check out the bulbs before you buy. £3 or two for £5. And they're all getting the bulbs in. Just in B&Q have also got their bulbs in today. Lots of house plants. We've got an antirythium, £12. These are really lovely. And also we've got the tall Monstera plant. These are £14. That's a good price. And they've got these really big leaves. We had some in Lidl or Aldi last week, but that's quite a good price for £14. The size of these leaves are really big and they look really healthy too. Really good, £14. We've got campanula in a pot. These are £7. They look really bright. They're worth £3 outside. And we've got celosia for £6. And this is the yellow ones we've got here. Looking really colourful. Do like that. Also orchids. Lots of various orchids. We've got some really tall ones here. Lots of varieties. Lots of colours. We've also got some in a pot. And then we've got some in this ornated box. And that's £18 for your orchid. Lots more stunning orchids. Lots of colours. And we've also got these stunning blue ones. And also Aldi, Lidl had their dyed orchids last week in the store. These are £12. We've got more of these anthuriums. They look really cool. Do like them. They look so colourful. We've got cactuses in pots. These are really cute. Small pots. £5. And then we've got various houseplants. They look really healthy. Look really good. Colour lilies. Looking good. We've got various seeds reduced. 50% off. Not many left. There's a few peas, a few broad beans, a few carrots, peppers, and not much else. But these are on sale 50% off. Normally £1.99. Peas, alderman are my favourite. And as we're going towards broad bean season, we can start planting these soon. There's a video on my channel of how to plant broad beans. And back outside, we've got cordyline. These are red star, £10. And we've also got bamboo. These are selling at £7, which is really good. We've got some hostas, £6. They're looking okay. And we've got a smaller pot of hosta, which is £4. So that's a good price. good price. We've got olive trees. These are £16. There's a video on my channel how to plant your olive tree, and that's really good. These are £16. And check out my video, I'll add a link on the description. Lots of olive trees still live there. And we've got clematis still. We've got some jasmine. These are £3.50. And also we've got some passion flowers. Some passion flowers still in stock, £3.50. And then on the end is the calla lily. So let me know, what would you choose from any of these plants? Let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks a lot. Cheers.